That was a close one.
Run, run, run! Yes, sir, Mr. Bunnyman! Oh,
Ghosting! This is the worst thing that's ever happened to me.
Should we help them?
But I just got this cape.
Well, that was just awful.
jump, duck, slide, jump again! Use the force! Oh!
Whoa!
What about Yeti and Turbo?
There's no time.
He's too strong!
I detest surprises. Behold, true power.
Master!
Just do it. You bore me.